Welcome to some cities bee farming, and then a farmer, a full-time farmer. And this is my beekeeping apiary, and then this is my mango farm. I'm also planting tomato. This is the month of September. Yeah, brilliant tools. And imagine if you have all this in, and I have a mindset that as I say, we need bees, and these bees can also do the pollination for you. So we are it's not about only the farming. It needs information about mama okuyano ejina. All this mango, this is a moringa tree. This is my tomato farm. And where they need bees. At the end of the day, pollination may take place. So Memo Biati as here, we a farmer value bees. At the same take one Ukraka Nikia unifu home. So all these things are here with our bees. Hey, fu be so if you're a farmer, learn, add beekeeping to whatever you are doing. And it's a long-term investment. It will also give huge money at the end of the season. Follow some cities, like, and then comment for more farming news. Thank you.